What is up, my friends? How's it going? So today we're working on a Nintendo Switch liquid damage. Let's check it out with the amp meter, because obviously they already did. You already know. Surprisingly, it's a healthy amp draw. 11.9 volts at 0.72 amps. But still not turning on. Press the power button. Still not turning on. So let's take it apart. Let's do what we love to do, and that's to fix and get your stuff back to you, like it never happened. All right, let's just take off all these fasteners, and look at that mess. Wow. Ooh, crusty, juicy. This is what happens when you get your device is all liquid damagey. And the liquid actually goes inside and hits the chips and the capacitors and other components. Nothing's out of line. I know it looks like the apocalypse happened here.